Ohio reported another 9,273 new COVID-19 cases today, and with that, the state surpassed 7,000 deaths from the virus. Health officials warn the virus is spreading through nearly every community in our state.
Yeah, the message, stay home as much as possible. News 5's Jesse Schultz found if you need a test right now, it may be tough if you are not showing any symptoms.
Several months ago, we were kind of blowing the horn about the fact that we wish we had more testing. Now we have more testing, but unfortunately, we have quite an uptick in cases as well.
And that means an uptick in the demand for testing,
People call us all day asking us about testing.
creating a shortage in supply.
We don't have enough testing to go around.
The majority of hospitals throughout Northeast Ohio only offer testing if you're symptomatic.
Most individuals want a test. It is difficult to get a test if you are asymptomatic.
But what if you know you've been exposed and aren't experiencing symptoms? Donna Scotto with Summit County Public Health says either way, the first thing you need to do is quarantine for at least 10 days.
COVID is a time-limited disease. And so once you start having symptoms, if you ever get symptoms, you were most contagious of that day or 2 days before those symptoms started.
Then call your primary care doctor. They may be able to get you in for a test, but again, most are prioritizing symptomatic patients. If not, you'll have to go the community testing route, like Walgreens, CVS, or pop-up sites. Though Kevin Brennan with the Cuyahoga County Board of Health says it may take a couple of days to get in for those tests.
Even though, we can go to our healthcare provider, we can go to local pharmacy. There are places that you can get tested at. There are a number of community testing sites. Unfortunately, the demand is so great, though, because of the amount of people that are becoming ill.
And it could also take a couple of days to get your results.
We're telling people just to quarantine.
But if you're still having a tough time getting a test, there are new websites and apps popping up to connect people to COVID-19 testing centers. For example, the website Solve will show every testing site near you and what you need for it.
If you feel that you really need to get a test, keep trying.
For News 5, I'm Jesse Schultz.